Salam at you. I'm back and want to make a video about mother's care. So, something that we are lacking of today and something we need to do more. Just a short little video and some important tips. So when you have your spare time, your free time, go ahead and clean the house, cook some food for your mother, for your older parents, for your grandparents. Go and visit them, take care of them. I don't care if people say that, oh, you're a geek and all this kind of stuff, because you ain't. It's something very manly and very womanly to do. So, both ways. If you're a woman, you can always, take care of them, some cosmetics. If you're a man, you can still make a massage, all this little stuff weighs tons for God. So do some mother's care and try to do something good for your older people. It doesn't need to be parents even, just when you see somebody outside you can always say hello, make a and